let me show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of your Brother MFC-J4335DW. So once the printer is awake, if you don't see anything on the screen, press this red button. You're going to press the settings button once, go down using the down arrow until you select network, press OK, go down, select Wi-Fi direct, press OK, select manual, press OK, and over here you're going to get the Wi-Fi name of your printer, and down below PASS, this is your password. Yours will be different than mine, but this is how you get to your Wi-Fi password. Now go take your computer or Android, iPhone, no matter which device you have, and you'll have to go in the Wi-Fi settings of that device to connect. Let me show you how it's done and also show you how to print. Open the Wi-Fi settings and you should see your printer appearing in the network list. Click on it and now enter the password that you see on the display. Then press connect. Wait a few seconds and the connection will be established. You'll even see connected on the display of your printer. Press the right side arrow and now open any files again on your PC, Mac, Android device or iPhone that you wish to print. Could also be a picture. This is a PDF document. On Android, you're going to press the three dots on the top here and then select print. On an iPhone, it's a logo of a square with an arrow, usually located on the lower left side. Now it's time to select your printer. So go on the top, click and select, instead of whatever was there, Brother MFC-J4335DW. And then press the print button. This printer prints quite fast, depending how large is your file. And here we go, we got our results. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and check my Amazon links to get more ink or more paper for your printer. You supporting my channel this way. Thanks.